Okay, second example, okay, is also simple formula function. dy dx equal to x plus y. Given the initial condition also, when x 0, okay, when x equals 0, y equal 1. Now the h is 0.01. Solve from 0, 0.01, 0.02 up to the last value is 0.05. Okay, and given the analytical solution is 2 exponent x minus 1. So same thing, you just need this is a fxy. So k1 h f xy. H is 0.01. Okay, the fxy is x plus y here. And then you key in this one as a first formula. Okay, go back menu number 1, 0.01. Okay, alpha x plus alpha y. Okay, calculate initially x 0, y 1. So you get 0.01. This is a k1 at the first time. Yeah, 0.01. Okay, and then you calculate again for k2. X is x plus h, which is 0.01, means 0 plus 0.01 divide by 2. Okay, y is 1 plus k1 divided by 2. 1 plus 0.01 divide by 2. So you get 0.0101. Okay, this is our k2. K1, K1, K2 done. Okay, and then calculate now to get K3 x. Okay, for K3 same, which is 0.0. Okay, mean 0 plus 0.01 divided by 2, which is same. You cannot press equal because we want to edit the y. Y is for K3, y is 1 plus K2 divided by 2. So 1. Okay, you have 1 plus 0.0101 divide 2. Is it the same? Still get the same. 0.0101. Okay, this is K3. Calculate K4. K4 is exactly the x is 0 plus 0.1. You will get 0.01. For K4, the x is actually the next x there because x, which is 0 plus a h, 0.01, you get 0.01. Okay, y is 1, okay, plus K3. So 1 plus 0.0101. So you get 0.0102. Yeah. And then, okay, calculate for y1. Okay. Oh, no more formula. So y1, I can use alpha y, alpha equal alpha y plus alpha a plus 2b plus 2c plus d divide 6. Calculate. Okay, so y1 depend on y0, which is 1. A is k1 0.01, b is k2 0.0101, c is also k3 0.0101, d is 1.0102. So you get 1.0101. So okay, repeat. So calculate K1, K2, K3, K4 using X1, Y1. So X 0.01 is correct. So go down, Y is correct. Okay, then equal. So okay, K1, when K equal to 1, you get 0.0102. Then you calculate X is 0.01, add up with H 0.01, divide 2. Y, okay, for K2 is Y plus K1 divided by 2. 1.0101 plus 0.0103 divide 2. So you get 1.01. Oh, Y. Hold on. That's a mistake already. Y is, okay. So you get 0.0103. This is K2. Okay, and then K3. X same. Press down. Y is Y plus K2 divided by 2. So 1.0101 plus K2 0.0103 divide 2 equal 0.0103. Yeah. Okay, calculate. Okay, for K4, X exactly here. 0.01 add up with H, you get 0.002. So you can keep 0.02. Y is Y plus K3. 1.0101 add up with 0.0103. So you get 0.0104. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Calculate. So Y2. Where do you get the Y2? Okay, Y2 depend on Y1, which is 1.0101. A, you see from 0.01 we move down, become 0.0102. B from 0.0101 move down from 0.0103. C from 0.0101 move down become 0.0103. D, okay, D is here 0.0104, 0.0104. So you get 1.0204. Okay, so the process I think is repeated. I think you can try, okay? And then exact function you key in into the table menu. I think you can repeat, right? Is that okay? Any problem to calculate it? Which one you prefer, using Excel or using this one? Because using this quite tired, if they ask you to calculate.
Excel, doctor.
Which one?
Excel.
Excel. Okay, if Excel, you see here, Excel faster and won't so tired. But make sure you key in the correct formula. Hold on, where is the cursor? Where's my mouse? Okay. And then for this one, y plus x. Okay, this one k x y okay k1 k2 k3 k3 k4 exact absolute error k0 x0 y is 1 and then 1 increment point 0 1. Okay, you see I select these two cell, I can copy it okay until 0. Oh sorry, I keyed in wrongly. 0.01. Okay, then we copy again. Okay, put down the grid centralized. Okay, K1 K1 is h 0.01 multiply here, which is f xy y plus x. Okay, so make sure you put out the dollar. Okay, y in C10, so dollar C10 x dollar B10. 0.01 multiply. So this one we cannot make it template because the function change, so you have to key in yourself the function. Okay, x plus y, put that here, x plus y is C10. Okay, and then add up dollar in front of the column label, $1 only. Okay, done. Copy to K2. K2, when you copy it, still 0.01, dollar C10 plus dollar D10. Okay, what you need to do, okay, add up with bracket C10. Okay, C10 here plus K1, which is D10. D10 backslash 2. This one already plus. Okay, and then the X before dollar, okay, bracket plus H 0.01 divide 2. Close. Okay, you may write down on on your Excel something like that, so that you you write down manually, so you tally number of 1 2 3. So you bracket 1 2 open. Okay, this one close, this one open, close, close. Make sure number of bracket is tally. Okay, so before dollar, bracket x plus h, x is b, h 0.01 backslash 2 divide 2. Y C10 plus K1. K1 is D10. Sometimes you cannot click, then you type the cell D10 backslash 2. K1 don't fix anything. Okay, after that, if you confirms your K1 K2 formula that you added is correct, see H, this is a x plus H divide 2 plus y plus K1 divide by 2. Okay, if correct, you copy it to K3, will be automatically correct, and then K3 to K4, just delete divide by 2. Delete divide by 2. Okay, done. Okay, put out formula for y1 is y naught plus, make sure bracket k1 one time, 2 time k2 plus 2 time k3 plus 1 time k4, close bracket backslash 6. Okay, select K1, K2, K3 formula. Okay, you may copy it down everything, and then select K1 Y1 formula, copy it down. Okay, key in exact function. Not this one. Exact function. Yeah. Okay, exact function is 2 exponent x. So 2 times exp x, click location of x, minus x, click location of x, minus 1. Enter. Okay, copy it down. This one, if you don't want to round, then it's just let it like this. I round because just want to compare with the manual solution. Last one 1.0525. 0525. If you don't want to round, will be like this. If you want to round just outside of the formula, round, open bracket. The last of the formula, the formula comma 4. Round it to 4 decimal place. And then this one round. Actually, don't round is better. It take up all decimal place. This exact round. Since all these are formula where we round, I can just select, copy it down. This one, if you want to round, round, open bracket. At the end of formula, comma, and then 4, close bracket. So the last one, 1.0525. Yeah. 04160303 1.02, 04 1.0101. Excel is faster provided you key in the formula correctly. K1 you should have no problem. K2. If you don't want to use this fixed then you need to key in 4 times formula. The same thing here. If you don't want to use the same formula, if you want to key in 4 formula, mean you want to key in 4 formula, sometime, because from the experience, sometime the formula will be missing. Because especially if the functions here too complicated. Say I got times. If you want to use 4 formula, if you want to use K1 one formula, K2 another formula, K3 another formula, K4 another formula, and then y plus 1, you have 5 formula. Sometimes the formula front will be missing. You can have a try. Depend on the function here. If the function very long, complicated, sometimes the K1 or K2 formula missing. Mean the K2, if you want to use each K different formula. So this is x plus 0 point. Let's say you want to hash 0.01 divide 2 plus one more bracket y plus K1 divide 2 K3 x plus 0.01 divide 2 y plus K2 divide 2 K4 0.01 x plus h 0.01 plus y plus K3. Okay, and then K1, K2, K3, you may use, let's say, ABC. You can try. Okay. This is the first formula. Okay, we restart everything, or we continue from here. Just now we K, okay, just now we stop at K equal to 2, K1, this is the first formula. Calculate X is 0.02, Y is 1.0204. You get 0.0104, this one. Yeah. Okay, K1. Okay, and then you want to use K2, let's say K2, another formula. Then you put up here. Then Y, okay, Y plus A divide 2. Also, okay, like this. Calculate. Okay, K2, okay, another formula, mean different formula. You key in exactly X plus 0.1 divided by 2 plus Y, okay, Y plus K1 divided by 2. Okay, and then K2, X is 0.02, correct? Y is 1.02, correct? Okay, you need the A, which is K1 value, 0.0104. So you get 0.0105. Okay, this one you have here. And then you want the K3 formula separately. So K3X, same. Y is Y plus K2. K2, you want to, let's say, you denote as B. Okay, then you calculate X same, Y same. B is actually K2, 0.0105. So you get 0.0105. Okay, so you have K1, okay, K2, K3 formula differently. And then you want the K4 formula. Okay, K4 formula, X become X plus 0.1. Don't have divide by 2, you delete it. Y become Y plus C. Then don't have divide by 2. Okay, and you calculate it. X is 0.2, correct? Y is 1.0204. C is a K3, 0.0105. So you get 0.0106. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Okay. And then you want to find back the yi plus 1 formula. 2, 3, 4. Okay, still have. Okay, calculate. So y number 3 depend on y2. Okay, already have 1.0204, have so the same values. Then I keep down. A is 0.0104, B is 0.0105, C is 0.0105, D is 0.01006, 0.0106. If correct, okay, value you no need to key in, just okay, press down. Okay, input the new value, then equal. You get 1.0309. Yeah. 1.0309. Where is it? Yeah. Okay, 1.0309. Okay, and then use back. Hopefully the formula still there. Yeah, why cannot? Yeah, yeah. Cannot get back the first formula because I pressed wrongly just now. And calculate. Okay. If you use too many formula, okay, sometimes it's missing. Sometimes, yeah. Depend on the function fxy. Sometimes experience, sometimes the formula missing. So, okay, this is a K1 formula. Calculate. So, okay, x is, okay, now for K1, K equal to 3, yeah? X is 0.03. Y is 1.0309, correct? If correct, you equal. You get 0.0106. This one, correct? Okay, hopefully you find back the second formula. C not correct, should be A1, Y plus A. I don't see which one. Cause too long, that's why cannot see whether the correct. Okay, this one correct. Calculate. Okay, for K2, make sure you get the correct formula. X is 0.3, Y is 1.0309, A is K1, 0.0106. So 0.0107. Okay, want to search back Y plus B one. Okay, because too long. Okay. K3 is Y plus K2 Y plus B, correct. So X is 0.3, Y is 1.0309, B is K2, 0.0107. So 0.0107. Okay, this is K3. Okay, and then search back K formula for K4. K4 is Y plus C because K4 depend on K3. X is 0.3, 0.03, Y is 1.0309. C, okay, you have to key in 0.0107, 0.0107. So 0.0108. Okay, this case, because the function is simple x plus y, sometimes you have very long expressions, function. So some formula, okay, will be missing because they have, okay, limited, okay, I think memory. Some formula will be missing. This case, because the function is not that complicated. So search back, okay, to get y4, search back the formula, okay, for yi plus 1. Luckily still there. So y4 depend on y number 3, is 1.0309, which is correct. Then I press down. A 0.0106, B 0.0107, C 0.0107, D. So D have to move down from 0.0106 to 0.0108. 0.0108. So you get 1.0416. 1.0416. Okay, and then to calculate K1, search back. Okay, calculate. Sometimes because if the function is complicated, sometimes the formula will be missing. To solve that problem, some student last time some student they use two calculator. They use two calculator because if the expression is very long, okay, when you key in until K4, K5, let's say you search back the previous formula, maybe the latest K1 missing or K2 missing. So to solve that problem, if the student prefer to key in 4 different formula, they can use they use two different calculator. Okay, so up to you, okay, which technique that you like it. So for K1 and K equal to 4, X is 0.04. Okay, y value correct, I just equal. So I get 0.0108, correct? This value correct. And then search back K2 formula. Okay, C not correct, should be A. So I don't know which one. I have to see before you click. Okay, no. Plus B should be K3 formula. Then you cannot. That's why when you're wrong, you cannot up. Just calculate and then just equal. Go up, 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 C. If C and then should be B, should be A. This one should be correct. They follow the sequence. Okay. Calculate. X 0.4 correct. Y 1.0416 correct. A is, so you see A from here, 0.0106 need to add it to 0.0108. So you get here 0.0109. Okay, this one correct. Okay, search formula for K3. K3 depend on B. This should be C, and then B should be this formula. K3 depend on K2, where the formula should have B. Okay, correct. X correct. Y correct. Okay, so B have to move from 0.0107 to 0.0109. 0.0109. So you get K3 0.01109 here. Okay, and then K4, search back formula for K4. This is K1. This is K4, Y plus K3, which is, you have a C here. So calculate X 0.04, Y 1.0416, C, okay, have to move to the latest K3, which is 0.0109. So you get 0.0110. And then, okay, search back this formula. Okay, now Y is there, A value is there, B is there, C is there, D have to update to the latest 0.011. Okay, so you get 1.0525. Okay, so we have demonstrate the using the calculator two technique. One is you always use a K1 formula to calculate K2, K3, K4. Where when you calculate K1, X, Y, same row, just at the left side. When you calculate K2, X is actually X plus, press the X value in the same row plus a H, divide by 2. Then to calculate K2, Y is a Y at the same row, Y plus a K1 at the same row, divide by 2. And then K3, X value same with K2, so you just go down, press a Y is 1 plus a K2 value divide by 2. And then for K4, X is actually the next X, because 0 plus H, you get the next X value. And the Y is actually Y plus 0.0 plus a K3. The first technique is you use the same formula K1 to calculate K2, K3, K4. Only your XY input depend on K2, K3, K4 formula. and then you put up the new, okay, the yi plus 1 formula is a y, the new y depend on oy plus, okay, your a is a k1, b is a k2, c is a k3, d is a k4, using two formula. Okay, and then, and okay, some they don't like these two formula, they want separate formula. Okay, this is k1 formula, then this is should be k2. Okay, sorry, this is k3 because plus b. This is k3 formula. Okay, plus c, this is a k4 formula. This is a k3. This one should be k2. K2, x plus h divided by 2, and then y plus a divided by 2. So if you use four formula, also same with Excel, be careful the bracket. Be careful the bracket. Mean if you use four formula is similar with using Excel, be careful. Okay, open close your bracket. Okay, I think with this, okay, okay,